Hi, good morning. This is Shek with Rudy's Team New Vision. Today's training, I have one of my takeaway was that Ronnie went over the escrow instructions, how we sent over the PDF files of our VIP agreement and our RPA and escrow instructions to our escrow company, and to basically, as soon as your TC emails both you and the escrow officer the email, we are to call them immediately and go over all the paperwork, all the email with them, making sure that they understand that what is pertinent in that email. And also to, if they don't understand it, even if they say they understand it, we have to go ahead and make sure that they review it to make sure that they do understand it, because they may just say that just to get you off the phone. So yeah, that's one of the things that I do need to do now that I'm a new agent. Yay!